If you want to download and install VLC on Windows, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step in just a few minutes. VLC is one of the most popular free media players in the world, and it works with almost every video and audio format you can think of. So whether you want to watch movies, play music, or open files that Windows won't normally support, VLC is a great tool to have installed on your computer. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to videoland.org/VLC. This is the official VLC website, and using the official source is always the safest way to download the installer. Once the page loads, look for the orange Download VLC button and click it. The website should automatically detect your Windows system and begin downloading the correct installer file. Now wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. After the installer has downloaded, open the VLC setup file from your downloads folder or from the download bar in your browser. When Windows asks if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes. That message is part of user account control, and it's a normal security prompt for software installation. Next, the VLC setup window will appear and ask you to choose your preferred language. Select the language you want, then click OK. After that, you'll see the installation wizard. Click Next to continue. Then review the license agreement carefully and click Next again. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose which components to install. For most users, the default options are perfectly fine, so you can keep the recommended selections and click Next. Now choose the installation location. If you don't have a specific folder in mind, it's usually best to leave the default location selected. This keeps everything simple and ensures VLC installs in the standard Windows Programs folder. Once that's set, click Install. At this point, the installer will copy the files and complete the setup process. Just wait for the installation to finish. When it's done, you'll see the final screen with a Finish button. Click Finish to close the installer. VLC is now installed on your Windows PC. To open it, go to the Start menu and search for VLC Media Player, or use the desktop shortcut if one was created during setup. Once VLC opens, you're ready to start playing your media files. You can drag and drop videos into the player, open audio files, or browse your computer for content to play. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed VLC on Windows. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.